Are you tired of hand-washing dishes and want a convenient solution? Meet the EUHOMY Portable Countertop Dishwasher. This compact powerhouse is designed to simplify your dishwashing experience. This dishwasher is perfect for small spaces. Measuring just 16.83 by 16.73 by 18.03 inches, it cleans over 30 items at once. It can accommodate plates up to 10.25 inches, including cutlery, glasses, and bowls. No installation is required. You can use it in two ways: tank mode or faucet mode. In tank mode, just fill the 5L, 1.32-gallon reservoir. In faucet mode, attach the inlet hose to your kitchen tap for a continuous water supply. It's that easy. The EUHOMY dishwasher features 6 washing programs to suit your needs: normal, quick, eco, baby care, heavy duty, and fruit. The quick wash takes only 29 minutes. Baby care mode operates at 167 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring thorough cleaning of your baby's products and greasy dishes. Want to keep your dishes dry? This 3-in-1 dishwasher also functions as a dish dryer. It offers 60 minutes of hot air drying followed by 73 hours of automatic ventilation. This prevents unpleasant odors after each wash. This eco-friendly dishwasher saves up to 80% water compared to hand washing. It holds a 5L water tank for multiple cleaning cycle options. Certified by ETL and DOE for safety, it also comes with a 1-year warranty. It's important to note that our dishwasher can only be used with specific detergent designed for washing dishes. If your faucet doesn't match the inlet hose, a faucet adapter may be necessary. A limited time deal offers the dishwasher for just $242.74, saving you 10% off the list price of $269.99. With free returns and a growing number of satisfied customers, you're making a smart choice. In summary, the EUHOMY Portable Countertop Dishwasher is your ultimate kitchen companion for efficient and eco-friendly dishwashing. Don't wait. Click the link below to order yours today. Please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel for more great content.